made this butter for my hair. I already put it on the channel. You can check it in my previous video. And I'm just kind of like trying on and show you guys how it look. This is my hair from the beginning, and look how like dry and crusty it looks, but it's not too dry. Yeah, so that's what I did. I'm actually just right now sectioning the hair, and I'm using just water and the butter just to like kind of pre-pooing my hair kind of thing. I was gonna keep the hair like moisturized or whatever, but it was just a little bit, I got too excited. I got too much oil into the butter, so it was just a little bit oily. So I just decided to just like make it like a pre-poo for me. Working on washing my hair. Yeah. So I'm just basically using water right now to just like straighten my hair out. A lot of the time, I tell a lot of you guys, try not to introduce a comb as soon as possible, because that way you minimize shedding. So a lot of people ask me, how do I maintain this my hair length? I just basically don't like to do a lot of using a lot of like combs a lot. My fingers and my hands are my thing, like they're kind of like my comb, to be honest. Something that I have learned to do over the 4 years. So this is how my hair looks like, and I just minimize that, and I get rid of anything on the end that is like, even if it's pulling it out and it looks all hanging and everything, just get rid of it. That's what I would say. So that's basically what I do. I just make sure, like, get rid of all that stuff. That's just one section of many. I try to just be very, very like, just let it out. Just get rid of anything that is tangling. That's what I would recommend for you guys. Get rid of anything. So I'm going to take a little bit of the butter. At this time it was like still, I just took it out of the fridge, and it was still like really thick, not too thick, but I liked it that way. So it was melting a little bit, so I just make sure like just lightly, not too thick and not too in between, not too thick and not too light. Okay, that's English out of the door, but you get what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's what I'm doing currently. I am just gonna quickly just, that's basically what I'm doing all through, to be honest with you. I'm not doing anything fancy. So this is just for a lot of people that ask me questions about, this is just also answering some of your questions in the background as I am doing the voiceover, so that I don't get a lot of I can kind of answer some of you guys' questions. So that's my hair. It's pretty long, so that is something, I'm definitely very grateful for, because it took me a while, and that's what I want to let you guys know. It takes time for all these things to work. You can't get instant gratification. So be it like struggling to get a product, go for it. Struggling to style your hair, try it. And you're struggling to find time around the clock to to take care of your hair, try it. So that's basically what I would say. Right now I jungle around here and there with my baby, but that's what it is. My last video, my baby was in the background, but what can I do? I can put my baby in the corner and be like, I just don't know what to do. Like, do what you can do. So that's what I would recommend you guys to do. Do what you can for your hair, for yourself. So when I do my hair, it's like a self-care thing. It's something I've been doing before I have the baby. When I feel like, I just want to go and try something new, it's a creative outlet for me. That's what I would say. And it kept me grounded. It kept me grounded with my baby. Or it keep me, not even with my baby, keep me grounded with motherhood. So, because motherhood can just get a little bit, overwhelming. And that's the truth. I'm not going to lie about it. Some days I just like, holy, is that what I want to do today? But you sometimes get stuff. So right now my baby is teething. I'm going to try to talk reality here. My baby is teething, something I'd never experienced before. He's clinging more to mommy, because of course I'm more the primary care in terms of feeding and taking care of him more. So it's not like the dad doesn't take care of him, but I'm talking about in terms of feeding. They get used to that. This is the stage where it's more about feeding rather than more play. That's what I'm trying to say. That's not trying to compare dad and mom in this scenario, but it's just a scenario whereby what does a baby want right now? Baby needs just want to eat, sleep, and poop. That's all. So if they know the main source of food is mommy, they will be sticking to that thing. So anyways, that's what I'm that's I got lost in the the mommy thing, but I was trying to bring some of my ladies to follow me here that are mommies. I would do a few videos here and there. I'm gonna try to like work around my schedule right now to see what I can put out. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Just making sure the same thing again, using my fingers. You can see me just wrecking through, and that's how I get it out. And then this usually gives me time to minimize. Um, it minimizes me to go in harder when I'm washing, so that I don't have to struggle. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna take a break because I'm gonna come back and finish this. Yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna finish off the voiceover. So basically, I'm just doing the same thing again. I'm entertaining my son, and on the other side, if you see me smiling, yeah, and I'm just kind of doing the same thing, straightening the hair, putting on the butter, twist it out, and that's basically what I do for the whole hair. So some of you have seen it before, so I'm not gonna try to repeat the process, but that's basically what I do. Just twisting my hair away so that it's just easy to take care of. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I totally have more of these coming. Let me know, leave in the comment section. Let me know what some of the things you'd like to see, and I would absolutely love to do more for that. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Give it a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video then. Bye, everybody. Bye.